Good evening. Every serious civil services aspirant wants to score better marks in every paper, including optional subjects. In this particular session, I would like to discuss with you regarding paper 4 ethics and how to get better marks in this particular paper. As you all know, that we are going to launch a special batch from November 11th, 2024 onwards with respect to paper 4. All those who are interested, you are requested to download our app KalyanTimes.com and join the course accordingly. What are the simple, straight and the best methods that we are going to follow only to see that we will be securing maximum marks in this particular paper. From November 11th onwards, we have designed the course for 40 days and nothing is going to be completed by 40 days, but my support will be continued to you till you complete the main examination in 2025. So what are our strategies? We will be taking up each and every topic that is given in the syllabus, and we are going to get into every topic in depth along with the analysis, and wherever there is a requirement we will be taking up the case studies and live case studies we are going to take up. And then what we are going to do, we will be looking at the previous year papers. So from previous year papers we are going to take certain questions and we will be answering those questions. How to read the question, how to understand the question, and how to present your answer in a better manner, everything will be taught to you in a very clear manner, only to see that you will be securing the best of the marks in this particular paper. Here if you look at very closely, 40 days into 2 plus 15 minutes. What is this 15 minutes here? 15 minutes I want you to go for the revision of what exactly we have discussed in each day's class. Kindly remember, without revision the subject will not be stored permanently. How to revise, how many times you need to revise, and what are the significance of this particular revision, everything I am going to discuss with you in detail during our classes. And after the classes are over, I am going to be in touch with you till you finish your main examination in August 2025. Clear? So after the completion of the classes, you need to spend at least 30 minutes every day on this particular subject. Sometimes you may skip, right? Let's not bother too much about that one. Sometimes you may have to spend 45 minutes, sometimes only 50 minutes, but on average if you are going to spend 30 minutes on this particular paper, this is going to boost your scores. Clear? Now, so with this particular strategy, we will be looking at best of the marks. Look at this. So this is what is given by UPSC. Questions test the candidate's attitude and approach to issues relating to integrity, probity in public life. So this is what has been given by UPSC. So UPSC is going to test this one from the candidates. And below this is the syllabus is given. I am going to show you the syllabus now. Of course, I am not going to discuss the syllabus with you now. But these are the points that you need to remember. And it has been given problem solving approach to various issues and conflicts faced by him in dealing with the society. What do you mean by him? Here, after you get selected, after you become civil servant, you are going to look at multiple problems in the society. So whatever may be the stage that is allocated to you, so whatever may be the district that you are going to working in, there you are going to look at multiple issues, meaning multiple problems will be there. But how do you approach? So what is the aptitude and attitude that you are going to show in dealing with those problems? Clear? So this is all going to be tested in written format by UPSC now in the form of main examination. That is the reason why let's not take anything, lightly. Everything should be taken very seriously, and every seriously preparing aspirant must understand this one. Clear? And I told you in yesterday's class also, we have to practice, right? It is not just learning, it is not just watching a video and reading some books, but you have to put it on the paper. You have to write answers for the various questions to become master of this particular subject. Then only you will be getting the good marks in this particular paper. Look at this. Questions may utilize the case study approach to determine these aspects. We know that lots of case studies will also be given in the examination. Hence, while discussing about various topics that are given in the syllabus, we will be taking so many case studies and will try to approach those case studies as the directions that are given by UPSC. And if you look at the syllabus, of course you all have the syllabus, and please go through the syllabus. Ethics and human interface, human values, attitude, aptitude, emotional intelligence, and contributions of moral thinkers. Like this, public and our civil services values, ethical issues, probity in governance, sharing and transparency in government, case studies. Like this, all, the so many topics are given. At the bottom, please look at this very carefully. Note I have given. And for IAS 2025, we will practice answer writing for all previous year papers. Ethics paper was introduced in the year 2013, and the latest examination was in the year 2024, because you are preparing for IAS 2025. So starting from 2013 up to 2024, let's write answers for every question, and that is going to give you the enough practice, my dear friends. And before you join, please remember very clearly and carefully, it is not just watching the classes or reading some books. You have to work on writing. That is the most crucial one, because in the examination you are tested through your writing skills only, right? So your approach will be tested in this particular format. That is the reason why the most important aspect should not be neglected. Kindly get ready mentally to write answers for as many questions as possible. Let's take the question, let's read the question, understand the question, and we have to write the relevant answers. Am I clear? So my dear friends, finally, please download KalyanTimes app from the Play Store. Link is given in the description below this video. And classes are going to be started from November 11th onwards, and the videos will be uploaded by 6 o'clock in the evening, and from that time you can start watching, and these videos will be available to you till you complete the main examination of IAS 2025. Take a quick decision, join at the earliest. You may speak to your friends, you may speak to your family members, you may speak to your seniors who already got selected, and take a good decision and a quick decision. Join as early as possible, because we are going to launch this from November 11th 2024, and I wish you all very good luck. Once again, I assure you that my support will be there for you till you complete the main examination of IAS 2025. Thanks again, and once again I wish you all very good luck.